Welcome to my channel Art Terrific. My name is Jazel. Today's video we are going to be making slime. First step, we are going to put warm water into a mixing bowl and then borax and then mix until it dissolves. Step, we are going to put a full bottle of glue into another mixing bowl. And then we are going to put the same amount with shaving foam. So we will be mixing glue and shaving cream together. And then we'll be adding yellow colour. Then we'll add water and borax. We're going to add more borax because it's not turning mix. And then we're going to add a little bit. Now it's starting to turn into slime. At this stage you'll be getting a little bit more borax and starting to use it with your hands. This is the finished product. really stretchy than my other fluffy slime. And it's exactly the same colour, but this one's better. It's stretchier. Thanks for watching Art Terrific. See you next time. Bye.